Welcome to InvestorWeb, the channel dedicated to helping you make sound financial decisions. Here we strive to provide you with the knowledge and tools necessary to navigate the often complex world of investing, all with the goal of empowering you to make informed financial choices. Our mission is simple: to educate, enlighten, and inspire. But today we're not just talking about investments, we're going a step further to discuss something a little more personal and quite possibly a little more challenging. Today we're exploring the 10 sacrifices you need to make if you want to be rich. Wealth isn't just about making the right investments, it's also about making the right sacrifices. It's about what you're willing to give up to create a future of financial stability and success. So, are you ready to make those sacrifices? Stay tuned as we delve into the sacrifices one must make to achieve wealth. The first sacrifice on our list is time. Time, the great equalizer, is an asset that everyone has, yet few utilize effectively. It is the raw material of success, and how you spend it determines the wealth you accumulate. Consider this. The time you invest in learning about financial markets, real estate, or entrepreneurship is time well spent. This knowledge can become the foundation of your wealth-building journey. Similarly, planning is an essential aspect of wealth creation. It's about setting financial goals and devising strategies to achieve them. Every minute you dedicate to planning your financial future is a step towards financial success. Execution, too, requires time. Whether it's launching a business, investing in stocks, or purchasing real estate, execution is where ideas transform into tangible wealth. The key takeaway here is simple. Time is not just a ticking clock, it's a precious resource, a tool for wealth creation. Remember, time is an asset that, when used wisely, can yield substantial returns. Next, we look at comfort, a term often associated with coziness and ease, but in the world of financial growth, it can be a hindrance. Comfort, my friends, can be the enemy of progress. It's a cushiony place that often keeps us from venturing into the unknown, from seizing opportunities that could potentially change our lives. Now imagine a bird. It stays in its nest until it learns to fly. It leaves its comfort zone, takes that leap of faith, and soars into the sky. Similarly, to reach the heights of financial success, you too must be willing to step out of your comfort zone, to take calculated risks. This might mean investing in a new venture, learning a new skill, or simply changing the way you've always thought about money. Sure, it might feel unsettling at first, but remember, growth and comfort do not coexist. Stepping out of your comfort zone is a small price to pay for financial freedom. Third on our list is immediate gratification. Now, this is a tricky one. We live in a world that's all about getting things instantly. Fast food, fast fashion, fast internet. It's all about speed and convenience. But when it comes to wealth creation, the fast track often leads to a dead end. You see, true wealth doesn't come from a winning lottery ticket or a get-rich-quick scheme. It comes from consistent, diligent effort over time. It comes from investing wisely and patiently, waiting for those investments to grow. It comes from resisting the temptation to splurge today, so you can reap the benefits tomorrow. Yes, it's tough to turn down that shiny new gadget or that luxury vacation, but remember, every penny saved is a penny earned, and every penny invested is a step closer to your financial goals. So the next time you're tempted by immediate gratification, remember this: patience and foresight are key in the journey to wealth. Fourth, we have stability. Stability, while comforting, can be a double-edged sword when it comes to wealth creation. It's like being in a safe, snug cocoon, but one that can hinder your flight towards financial prosperity. It's a sacrifice you need to make if you want to be rich. You see, the pursuit of wealth requires a willingness to step out of your comfort zone and embrace the uncertain. It's about being open to change, to pivot when necessary, and to seize the opportunities that arise from shifting circumstances. From market fluctuations to new technologies, change can be a goldmine of financial opportunities if you're willing to adapt and take calculated risks. So let go of the notion that stability equates to success. The road to wealth is often winding and unpredictable, but it's this very unpredictability that can lead to the most lucrative outcomes. Embrace change, for it often brings financial opportunities. Halfway through our list at number 5 is leisure. Now, this isn't about abandoning all forms of relaxation or enjoyment. Rather, it's about making better use of those precious hours. We all have the same 24 hours in a day. The difference between the wealthy and the not so wealthy often comes down to how they utilize this time. Consider this: instead of spending your free hours on mindless entertainment, what if you devoted this time to learning a new skill or perhaps exploring a potentially lucrative side hustle? This doesn't mean you have to give up on rest or fun, but rather it's about making your leisure time productive. Think about it. The time you spend binge-watching a television series could be used to learn about investment strategies. The hours you spend on social media could be used to build a network that could open doors to new opportunities. Utilize your leisure time effectively and you'll be surprised by the financial growth you can achieve. At number 6, we have entitlement. Entitlement, a word often associated with a sense of expecting rewards without putting in the necessary work. But if wealth is your goal, it's time to adjust your perspective. Entitlement has no room in the world of wealth creation. Instead, adopt a mindset of earning. This doesn't mean you don't deserve good things. Rather, it's about understanding that these good things are the result of hard work and dedication. Wealth is not a right, it's a reward. It's a direct outcome of your actions, your decisions, your sacrifices. When you stop feeling entitled and start feeling like an earner, you become more proactive. You strive harder, you look for opportunities, and you make things happen. This shift in perspective can be a game changer. It's not about what the world owes you, it's about what you owe to yourself. Adopting a mindset of earning over entitlement can pave the way to financial success. 7th on our list is unhealthy habits. These are the silent wealth killers, often overlooked but steadily chipping away at our financial health. They come in many forms: impulse shopping, neglecting to save, or even a simple disregard for budgeting. Each of these habits may seem insignificant in isolation, but when accumulated, they can cripple your financial growth. To build wealth, it's not enough to just earn more money. One must also learn to manage that money effectively. This is where healthy financial habits come in. Regular saving, smart investing, and disciplined spending are the hallmarks of financial health. These habits, though they might seem mundane, are the building blocks of wealth. They ensure that your money works for you, not the other way around. Think of it this way: every pound saved or invested wisely is a step closer to financial freedom. So the next time you find yourself falling into an unhealthy financial habit, remember, it's not just about the money. It's about the future you're building. Healthy financial habits are the cornerstone of wealth creation. 8th, we have negativity. This is a particularly cunning sacrifice, as it often disguises itself as realism or practicality. But in the world of wealth creation, negativity is a hindrance. It ties us to our past failures, encourages us to expect disappointment, and blinds us to opportunities. The first step to letting go of negativity is to recognize it. It could be those self-deprecating jokes you make, or that little voice in your head telling you that you're not cut out for the big leagues. Once you've identified these negative thoughts, challenge them. Replace them with positive affirmations. Why is this important? Because positivity is like a magnet for success. It encourages resilience, fosters creativity, and opens doors to opportunities. It's not about ignoring the realities of life, but rather choosing to focus on possibilities and solutions. In the end, wealth isn't just about money, it's about mindset. So start cultivating a positive one. A positive mindset attracts positive financial outcomes. 9th on our list is shortcuts. In the pursuit of wealth, it's easy to be tempted by the allure of quick fixes and fast tracks. But remember, wealth accumulated through shortcuts is often fleeting and fraught with instability. Why is that? Because shortcuts often bypass the essential lessons, the resilience, and the character-building experiences that come with the full journey of hard work. Imagine a tree rapidly grown from a seed to a full bloom overnight. Without the time to develop strong roots, the slightest gust of wind could topple it over. Similarly, quick wealth without a solid foundation of knowledge, experience, and resilience can crumble at the first sign of adversity. Shortcuts can seem appealing, but they often lead to short-lived success. The path to lasting wealth is seldom straight or easy. It's a path of perseverance, tenacity, and most importantly, hard work. So don't be swayed by the lure of shortcuts. Hard work and perseverance are more reliable paths to long-term financial success. Last but not least, at number 10, we have fear. This invisible adversary can be the most formidable challenge on your journey to wealth. It is the unseen barrier that stands between current reality and untapped potential. Fear can paralyze us, make us hesitate, and keep us from taking the calculated risks necessary to achieve financial success. The fear of failure, of losing what we have, of stepping out of our comfort zone, these are all fears that can hinder our progress. But remember, every successful person you admire has faced and overcome their own fear. They've turned it into fuel, harnessed it to drive their ambition, their innovation, their resilience, to create wealth, to really dive into the world of investment and financial growth. We must face our fears, embrace them, understand them, and then, most importantly, conquer them. Overcoming fear is paramount on the path to wealth. We've covered the 10 sacrifices necessary for wealth creation. We've delved into how precious time is, how comfort can be a hindrance, and how immediate gratification can lead to long-term detriment. We've examined the importance of foregoing stability for growth and the significance of choosing hard work over leisure. We've also looked at how letting go of entitlement, unhealthy habits, and negativity can pave the way to financial success. Moreover, we've underscored the perils of seeking shortcuts and the crucial role of confronting fears. Each of these sacrifices plays a pivotal role in your journey towards wealth creation. They're not easy, but they're necessary. They demand dedication, resilience, and an unwavering belief in your capabilities. So as you embark on this journey, bear these sacrifices in mind. They are your compass, guiding you towards financial success. Remember, the journey to wealth requires sacrifice. Thank you for joining us on InvestorWeb. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights.